Okay, this is how you do the gradient. I have my, over here on the right hand side where it says layer 26, that's my background. So in this little square right here, see where it says gradient tool? And when you come up here, and here's all your different colors. And you can tone them up, you can tone them down, you can kind of, do whatever you want to do. So if you wanted blue, here's your colors up here. You can take it away, you can make it lighter, you can change your tones in it, stuff like that. Here's your color. And say you want to do red and blue, you can add red to it. You can add pink and blue to it. You can add green to it, green and blue. So you can add the secondary color wherever you want. That's how you do that. And so if you go over here and let's do this color and say you want it a little bit darker, lighter. See how right here it's changing it? You have the dark and then you have the light here. You can change it to whatever you want. See it? And then you hit OK, like that. And then you come up here and you can go down like this. And that's one color. You can go across if you want. You can do that. You can do, okay, watch this. Do all kinds of stuff. Make it like 4 different shades. And right now we have it linear right here. You can do radial. See? Look at that. You can put a little thing there. If you want just a little one, you can put a little dot there. You can put a little dot there. Or you can do this. Just go anywhere you want. Do it sideways. You can do it crossways. Anyway, that's your gradient. There's a whole bunch of different pinks if you like that. See how that is? And that's in your radial. So make a circle. If you hit linear, then that's what this is. Look at that. See? You can make it little. One line. Big lines. Crossways. What's that? That's a gradient.